Meaning of helpfully.
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 Helpfully. Helpfully means providing assistance that is useful or beneficial to someone. It is an adverb used to describe actions or behaviors that are done in a helpful manner with the intention of providing aid or support. When someone helps in a helpful way, they are offering something that will be of value to the person they are helping. This kind of assistance might involve providing advice, information, or practical assistance to help someone overcome a challenge or reach a goal. Overall, being helpful is a positive and valuable trait that can benefit both the helper and the person being helped. It can foster relationships, build trust, and contribute to a sense of community and cooperation.